Hello, my name's Martin Fish and this is one of the new rotary mowers in the Cobra VX range with a rear roller, which will give you a lovely stripe on your lawn when you're mowing. It's powered by the 40 volt Max Plus battery, which has got intelligent cell technology, ICT, which optimizes the battery to make it last longer, and it gives power as and when it's needed. So overall good health for the battery. It's a really compact mower. This is ideal for small to medium lawns, and as well as cutting the grass and giving that stripe, you also can collect the grass here. So let's have a little look at it. So here we are. It's got a metal deck, so strong metal deck on there, and we've also got height control here. We've got 6 different positions so we can raise the deck to suit the mowing that we're due. So it cuts down to 17 mil and it will cut up to 75 millimeters, so you can get that perfect cut. The grass is collected in this box at the back here, which has got a 50 litre capacity, and it's also got an indicator on there, this little red flap that goes up and down like this. When it's flapping, it means you've got that airflow and the grass is going into the collection box. When it stops, that's the indicator to say it's time to empty it. So it makes it so much easier for you. The battery lives in this compartment here. It's the 40 volt battery. There are 2 positions. It doesn't matter which one you put it in, either will work. So the battery's there, and we've got the button on the back that tells us how much charge it's got in. So I'm just going to pop that into there. You need to make sure that it clicks into position like that. So coming round to the handlebars here, this mower has got folding handlebars, so great if you're storing it or you need to put it in a vehicle. You can fold it down, and especially when you've taken the box off, it makes it shorter and more compact, and the box then just simply hooks on the back very simply over the 2 springs like that. So we can put that back into position very easily. The roller, which is what gives you the stripe, is here, and we can see that if we take the box out, it's got a heavy duty roller which basically pushes the grass down to give that wonderful stripe when you're mowing. Operating it is very simple indeed. We've just got 1 button here and 1 lever. It's as simple as that. This is a push mower, so it's not self-propelled, but it is very light and easy to push. So to get mowing, all we need to do is to push down the button here, pull the red lever back, and then we can mow. Just a little tip before you do start mowing: never start with the deck too low because it will scalp the grass. So always lift it up a little bit higher than you need, and if you think it's not cutting close enough, you can always lower it without causing damage to the lawn. So let's have a go and do a little bit of mowing. So there you have it, the new Cobra battery powered mower with a rear roller. It's really easy to use and it makes a great job of cutting your grass. For more information on the VX range or any of the Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.